Thank you for your interest in iStudious, flashcards with handwriting and rich text. Hopefully this video will give you all the information you need to get the most out of this one-of-a-kind flashcard app. We'll begin by adding a new stack of flashcards. A stack is a group of like cards that you can use for creating quizzes. There are two ways to create a new stack of flashcards. Either add a new empty stack or create a new stack by importing cards from Quizlet.com. When you add a new empty stack, simply enter the name for your stack and hit Done. You will then be brought to the flashcard info screen. To create a new stack from Quizlet, simply search for the subject matter that you're looking for. Once you find the stack you want, just click the Import button. When the import is done, you'll be brought to the flashcard info screen. The flashcard info screen is the hub of the app. From here, you can create additional cards, edit your existing cards, or take quizzes. There are three different ways to add new flashcards: adding a new card from scratch, importing additional cards from Quizlet, and creating new cards based on content from the web. To create a new flashcard from scratch, tap on New Flashcard. Here you can add text to the front and back of the flashcard, as well as draw on the card. When adding text to a flashcard, you can utilize the full rich text editor by tapping Style. Change the font, size, color, and even make the text bold or italicized or underlined. You can make your flashcards look exactly how you want to allow for the best studying experience. To draw on the card, simply tap Draw on Card and begin drawing. You can change the pen size and color by tapping and holding on the pen icon, which will bring up the pen options. If you mess up, you can use the eraser or undo functionality. In iStudious flashcards, we've implemented the Lightner system, where you can categorize your cards as hard, medium, or easy. This will allow you flexibility over which cards you want to study and when. By default, cards are put in the hard box, but you can easily change this by choosing one of the other boxes. Hit save and you're done. Adding additional cards from Quizlet works the same way as creating a new stack from Quizlet, except a new stack is not created. The cards are just added to the stack you're on. To add a new flashcard from the web, you can search through Google or Wikipedia on any subject matter you'd like. Then, simply highlight the text you want to be on the back of your flashcard, then tap More. Notice from here you can also search Quizlet for the words highlighted. Tap New Flashcard and you are brought to the new flashcard screen where you can customize your new flashcard any way you would like. Once you have all your flashcards added, you can view all the flashcards in your stack by tapping on Edit Flashcards. Notice you can see all your cards, and you can also filter them by Lightner box. From this screen, you can also delete any flashcards simply by swiping and tapping Delete, or tap the Edit button and then Delete. To edit a flashcard, tap on the flashcard and you are brought to a similar screen as the Add New Flashcard screen. Tap the Edit button to get into edit mode, and you can now change text, drawings, and the Lightner box that the card is in. Now that you have all the flashcards set up the way you want, you can now begin studying your cards. iStudious Flashcards has a built-in quizzing system that lets you study the cards you want and be able to monitor your progress. To begin a new quiz, tap Take Quiz. You are presented with all of the different options for taking a quiz. You can either study the cards in order or completely randomized. You can choose to study all of your cards or just the cards in one of your Lightner boxes. You can then choose to study only 10, 20, 30, 40, or 50, or all of the cards. The final setting is whether or not you want to be prompted at the end of your quiz with the option of updating the Lightner boxes of each of the questions in the quiz. If this is turned on and you choose to update your cards at the end of the quiz, then all of the cards that you got correct will be promoted a box, and all of the cards you got incorrect will be demoted a box. So if you got a medium card wrong, then it would be put in the hard box, and if you got a medium card correct, then it would be put in the easy box. If you turn this option off, then you will not be prompted and you will need to manually move your cards to different boxes as you think the difficulty changes. Once you begin the quiz, notice that you can draw on the flashcards to help you solve a problem, or you can write down helpful hints for remembering the answer. Simply tap the Annotate button, draw what you would like, then hit Return to Quiz. Tap anywhere on the card to flip the flashcard and see the answer. Tap the red X if you get the question wrong or the green check if you get the question right. As you take the quiz, you can watch your stats update. Once your quiz is done, you can take a look at quiz history to see how you're improving. If you need to stop a quiz in the middle, that's okay. Incompleted quizzes can be finished up by going into the incomplete quiz section and tapping on the quiz you would like to finish. At any time, you can delete unneeded incomplete quizzes or quiz history records. That should just about cover everything you need to know about iStudious flashcards. If you still have questions or have any ideas to help us improve this app, please feel free to email us at support@madswan.com. Enjoy!